Hello everyone. We are going to start a new batch Pro at DevOps Move, like including Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, SRE techniques, CI/CD techniques, and Grafana, Prometheus, observability techniques, as well as AI workflow techniques in the DevOps. So these are all the concepts that we would be going to cover in this batch. If you have a time under this video, find this link of the curriculum and please check out all this. If you could see, so these are all the things. Let me explain you one after other. So phase 1, we will be going to cover complete Docker and hands-on and theoretical part, and Docker mastery, like writing the multi-stage pipeline files and single-stage files, and orchestration basics and techniques, and registry management and security scannings as part of CI/CD as well. And module 2, which is production grade orchestration of Kubernetes, AKS, AKE, AKS, and GKE, and your Minikube setups as well. Of complete Kubernetes you will be get here, and the syllabus will be covered up to CKA. And module 3, which is Terraform and the cloud. So to automate the infrastructure, we'll be going to cover complete Terraform of all the practice, like fundamentals, cloud provisioning, state management, module development, and multi-environment strategy. And CI/CD pipeline engineering, like on the pipeline design, GitHub Actions, quality gateways, and artifact management. And module 5, which is nothing but Argo CD with GitOps uh, display. So here it is a main thing that it is also going to involve into the Helm charts and Kubernetes and Argo CD with Git operations, like Argo fundamentals, application management, sync strategies, health checks, and rollback strategies. And module monitoring and observability, metrics collection, dashboard, alerting, log management. So all this we're gonna cover in this monitoring. So there would be a phase 2, which project integrations of we have a project A, project B, and project C. You can see project A is an e-commerce platform, shop fast, so which is give you a middle level complexity and good knowledge of integrating these all components. Project B is also same, like microservices API platform with API gateway plus. Is highly complex but give you a good advanced knowledge over the DevOps environment and the development environment. DevX focused. Project C, which is DevOps platform engineering, which is expert making you by integrating this, even the new topic called backstage. So all this we're gonna integrate in, and additionally you'll be getting specializations in AI, that AI in DevOps with the practical integrations, kind of AI assistance, troubleshooting, intelligent alerting, code generations, and performance optimizations. And SRE techniques is nothing but I'll be going to give you SLO, SLI implementations, error budget management, and capacity planning, incident management. So all these are the main components. So please do check out this curriculum, and do you have any questions, then let me know. And this is going to start on November 10, 7 p.m. IST, actually 7 p.m. IST, November 10th, Monday. And you can attend 3 demo classes free. 3 demo classes you can attend free. And then you can decide whether you go with a batch or not. Okay. Thank you everyone. If you have any questions, then please comment there your question, then we'll try to answer. Otherwise, you can raise your questions over the demo. Thank you everyone.